Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, let's press and hold the up button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. After the menu appears on the screen, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the option called System and then press the Start button to enter. Now, scroll through the System menu, find the option called Hardkeys, select it and press the Start button. And here we have a list of different hotkeys, as you can see. Select the one you like to use to take a screenshot, for example, Start button and down button, so this combination. Once you select the hotkey, press the Start button to open the menu, and now scroll through this menu, find the screenshot option, like this, select it and press the Start button. As you can see, now we have the screenshot assigned to Start plus Down. So if we press and hold the Start plus Down button, it should take a screenshot. For some reason it didn't. Weird. Oh, you need to hold it for longer than a second. You hold it for a couple of seconds basically. And sometimes it doesn't work, you need to repeat it. Yeah, so it's a bit wonky, but it should work. So basically you need to press the buttons. Maybe let's try a different combination. Maybe back plus light. So this, select it, find the screenshot, like this, and then press the back and light to take a screenshot. Okay, this one works. So basically when you take a screenshot, it will say screenshot is saved to a folder on the watch. And to access these screenshots, you need to plug in your watch to a computer, open the folders there, and there should be a screenshot folder on your Garmin watch, and there you can access these screenshots. And that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.